Now I hang from ye old rafter.
Dude, do I have to get... Not about me, but did I mention pizza? What? Dude, pizza... Dude, I don't know what you're talking about. Oliver! What? Not my fault. Of course it is your fault. Gilbert, listen. Of course it is your fault. Oh boy, hangry alert. Oh my lord, it's his hangry form. Food, gotta be some food here. By the way, let's move on to today's recipe for this morning. Ugh, speaking of, I always need to eat sometime. By the way, I haven't had breakfast yet, so I still want to continue, okay? By the way, let's move on to the recipe.